3 reasons why I need to be successful and why you should too. Number 1, I need to avoid situations that I don't want to be in. When you're not successful, you have no choice but to accept the situation you're currently in. But if you are successful, you have the freedom to do whatever you want to do. Number 2, I need to give the best life for my mom. She's already in her 70s, that's why I'm on the rush to be successful. I want to spoil and travel with her habang malakas pa siya. Number 3, and most importantly, I want to serve God better by helping more people. Ayoko naman kasi ng prayers lang ang kaya ko yung maibigay sa isang tao. Gusto ko yung mayabot din ako sa kanya. Yung mararamdaman talaga niyang naibsan yung burdens niya. For me, being successful is being able to multiply the blessings God has bestowed upon me. How about you? Why do you need to be successful?